Ababwatani b'ekisemi nigo baburirie abaibori kurenda abana bwabo anene kubasemia iguru y'obutumeki obobe bw'omariogo y'ogotindia okwana litko lyokumerana na abamura bakuru gose the old boys ba Cardinal Otunga Mosocho nigo baengekoragwa nomo vice chancellor Omeru University Professor Romanas Odhiambo nigo baburirie ng'a amariogo y'ogotindia na arasariri chimbwa na boigo okogenda nsi kwimbwa ase ebanto osase eyamate emenyete.
Is sophomore, second years. And because of raving and doing the wrong things when the future potentials that I promise to be coming here every June, every year if I'm still alive. May God, there are many more. Tutaleta hao na lazima tujenge. Nimeona kama discourage. I've just said the journey of many miles start with one step. So please forgive me for not paying back on time, but the field school is School of Health Sciences, which is a precursor. Because the people who are going to survive in years to come, my sons and daughters, grandchildren. Today, I am here as one of the guests of Cardinal Otunga High School, and the function has been organized by alumni, and I really want to thank the alumni. The world of academics, the world of education is changing. I've heard people I respect very much, our leaders, political leaders, sometimes the comments we make, especially about what is happening right now about CBE, competency-based education. You have realized that we are losing our children to drugs and many negative things. Some of them die at a very young age. Now the CBE main idea is to inculcate those three knowledge. That is the attitude, that is the skill, and the knowledge. Who on earth can refuse such a thing?
Our boys need somebody who can mentor them, who can tell them how they were doing it in the 70s, the 80s, that now there are people who are managing our country. But at the same time, for our vice chancellor, his source of the product still lies in Cardinal. So he has come here to trace the source. When the source is right, then the larger lever that he makes at the university will be okay.
Maadhiri mema hasa aliyopata hapa katika shule yetu ya Cardinal Otunga, kwanza kuomba asubuhi na mapema waenda chapel na kabla kulala kwenda chapel. Ndiye amesema hii ndio iliwasaidia kuwa wasiwe watu waraibu wa kutumika madawa. Na kitu alisema kuwa hapa kulikuwa na sheria moja ilikuwa inasema use common sense. Na hiyo ilikuwa inawafanyia ufanye kitu kizuri kila wakati, ufanye kitu kizuri kila mahali na wakati wowote.